Hey everyone, you are hanging with Helen guys, and I have got my Thrifty Thursday Thermomix tip for you guys today. And this is an oldie but a goodie, but I wanted to show you some really quick little tips about timer. So we're calling this timer magic. So let's start with the TM31, and I know a lot of you are going to know this already, so comment below if you knew this with yep, got it, and if it's new to you, you can put a wow. And please make sure you tag or share it to anybody that you think is going to benefit from these tips. So let me turn my camera around. TM31, when you put a time in there, and away you go, whatever it might be. I'll turn it on. If you want to clear that time, you press them both together, the negative and the positive, and it clears your time. Same as if you were to go up. Oh, actually it's different on this one, but yeah. Minus gets you to the 1 minute straight away, then you go up, and then if I made a mistake, you just press them both together and done. Okay, so that's TM31. Let's go to the TM5 and show you some timer magic on this one. So some people may already know this, of course. Sometimes when you're just doing manual cooking and you decide to, cook away, whatever it is, chop, whatever, and see how the timer just starts counting upwards automatically. You press your little dial to stop, and then if I want to clear that time for my next function, all I have to do is press the home button and keep it pressed, and it clears. Same as I might have selected reverse, I might have even selected dough mode. Anything I select, if I want to go straight back to home, just hold and press the home key and it goes there. Now the other tip is, say I have the timer on for something and away I go, and it counts down and we've got that sound that tells us it's finished. You've got your sound. Now you can either press the dial to stop, or you can just press the screen and it will stop. Or the other tip is just lift the jug. As soon as you lift the jug, the sound stops. And the final tip here is that you can go into your settings. You can go into your sounds, your finish sound. Oops, here we go. And your duration. And you can change how long. I've got it set on 10 seconds only. That's enough for me to be around the kitchen and know it's ready and done. But you can set, if you are leaving the house, you want it to remind you, or going out to do the washing or whatever it might be, and you want to remind yourself in case you're not around, you can keep it on for 15 minutes, that sound, so that it keeps going and going. So can set how long you want your timer to go for. Hope you picked up one little tip today. If you already knew it, like I said, maybe share or tag it to someone that may not have known any of these tips. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye.